Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I apologize for not posting this last night, but I'm going to be wrapping up the subtraction problems from Wednesday. So these are all subtracting polynomials, starting with number 4. Let me zoom in here. My steps whenever I'm subtracting are to distribute the -1. Typically it's a -1. And number 2, to CLT, to combine my like terms. I distribute by multiplying, combine like terms by adding and subtracting. Here I'm subtracting. I'm going to distribute this -1 to these two terms. 9D minus F minus 3D minus 7F. Distributing by a negative, all it does is changes the sign from the positive to the negative and a negative to a positive. Now I CLT, I combine my like terms. 9D minus 3D, those are my two like terms. I get 6D. Negative F, negative 7F. This is invisible negative 1F. When I subtract, I get negative 8F. B. Turning it over, that was it. Here is the Thursday multiplying polynomials homework that you can watch on Thursday night, or you can watch after you finish the packet on Friday with the substitute. Use either the box method or FOIL method to solve these. I will do 2 for FOIL and I'll do 2 for box. I'm able to do FOIL on all 4 of these because these are all binomial times binomial. You can only use FOIL with a binomial times a binomial. I'll do FOIL for 17 and 18. F stands for firsts, so I multiply 7m times 6m. I get 42m squared. Outside is 7m minus 2. That's why this is so important that you're doing this in pencil. You get negative 14m. I stands for insides. Positive 3 times positive 6m is 18m. And my lasts are positive 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. My like terms are my outside and my inside. In total, I get 42m squared. Negative 14, this is a positive 18m, therefore I add. Negative 14 plus 18 is positive 4m minus 6. FOIL again for number 18. Firsts, 2k times 6k, 12k squared. My outsides, 2k times negative 6, negative 12k. My insides, positive 8 times positive 6k, 48k. And my last, positive 8, negative 6, negative 48. My outside and my inside are my like terms. 12k squared. This is plus 36k, 12k plus 48. This is a positive 48. That's positive 36k minus 48. For numbers 19 and 20, I'll do the box method. Because these are binomial times binomial, I only need a 2 by 2 box. Doesn't matter where you put the 4a minus 3. or the 2a minus 6, as long as you split it up into two terms. 4a times 2a is 8a squared. Negative 6 times positive 4a is 24a. 2a times negative 6 is negative 6a. Negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. My diagonals are my like terms. My final answer is 8a squared plus 18a plus 18. 24a minus 6a is 18a. Or you could do 6a, negative 6a plus 24a. Last one. Two more actually. Doesn't matter where you put the 4x plus 1 or the 3x plus 8, as long as you split your terms up correctly and make sure that you keep the sign. 3x, positive 3x times 4x is 12x squared. 3x times positive 1 is 3x. Positive 8 times positive 4x is 32x. Positive 8 times positive 1 is positive 8. When I combine my like terms, I add and subtract. 12x squared plus 35x plus 8. Looking at the signs of my numbers, this is a positive 8, therefore it's adding 8 when I combine them. 32 is positive, 3 is positive, we add them together. Find the area. This doesn't change anything about how I set this up. This is just using it in the context of geometry. I'm going to choose the box method. Again, you could choose FOIL because these are two binomials being multiplied. Again, it doesn't matter where you put the 2x plus 2 and where you put the 4x plus 3, as long as you include each term separately. 2x times 4x is 8x squared. 4x times positive 2 is 8x. Positive 3 times 2x is 6x. Positive 3 times positive 2, positive 6. My inners, my diagonals, are my like terms. 8x squared is positive, 6x is positive, 8x is positive. When I add them together, I get 14x. The 6 is positive, therefore I add the 6 at the end. And that's it, folks.